Hello, I'm back with seed mail from the Botanical Interest company. Miss Kitty's not cooperating very well today with me, but I placed an order and they send it in this nifty little box. And they include always. So I ordered some flowers. I got the peony. It's a double blend. I got a free seed for my order. I did this during the cyber sale that they had it, where I used a combination of their cyber free shipping on an order of $30 or more, and then they had 35% off on my seed catalog. So I used my code with the seed catalog that was inside the catalog, so I got free shipping and 35% off my order. They include this seed starting guide. It pulls out. Not like they don't include enough information on their seed packets, but they also send that as well. I ordered some vegetables. I ordered a New Mex lemon spice pepper. I ordered a rainbow blend of their tomatoes. It's been a while since I placed the order, so it's kind of like Christmas going through here, seeing what I got. I got some dahlias, a decorative blend. I got the sunflower, the Elves blend. This is a dwarf sunflower. I got some petunias for some planters. Got another sunflower, the teddy bear. Sunflower, the sunspot. Bells of Ireland. Chinese broccoli. I have seed for this, but I didn't save nowhere near enough seed. Adds depth to red enchilada sauce and salsas. And I got this mainly because the plants are tobacco resistant. This is the New Mex Joe E. And I got a mixture of alyssum. This is good filler in beds. Yet some additional color to my side beds where I have flowers and try to encourage pollinators. I got another Bells of Ireland. I got a shallot, an onion. And then I really splurged because I bought this in the past and I've gotten some flowers from this and I want to kind of encourage it further down my fence line. So I got the Grandma's cut flowers blend. It has a total of, let's see, I think it is, well, it has several of them. I'm going to flip it over here. I don't know if I can get it to where you can see it, but it has all these flowers in the mix. And so, this is a super large packet, but I really wanted, allowed mine to go to seed along the fence line, and I did save some seeds, but I really want to try to make this grow further down my flower bed fence line. Scarlet Flax. This is on my wish list for some time. It's always a 5-star ordering process from me. This is one of my go-to companies for seeds. Really can't say enough good things about them. The germination rate on the seeds is just phenomenal. The seeds are true to type. I've yet to run into something where I was not satisfied with what I ordered from them. And they have nice combination mixes, like I got that tomato mix, and I believe I have that flour mix, and then they sent me this lettuce mix as a thank you as well. And like the peonies, like, see, this is a blend of peonies. And a lot of places, when you order a flour mix or a blend of something, sometimes you get all of the same variety. And that has not been the case with me when I order from Botanical Interest. When I order these blends, I actually get a variety of seed, which is my intent when I purchase the blend. So again, this is definitely my go-to, because they have so much information on their inside their catalog and on their seed packets. Again, if you really want a good reading material, this is good reading material. The pictures, the customer stories inside the catalog, planting instructions, it's all included for each different type of vegetable. And these pictures done by watercolors is just, and they actually have customer pictures as well, spread out through the catalog. Again, this is completely free. You submit, I'll post the link down in my comments, but you post a request for this catalog and they will mail you this catalog. And the price points are, again, well within my favorite budget price. Prices start at $1.89, and depending upon, like, if you go for the jumbo packet like I did here, this was actually, I believe, was should say on the seed packet here, $4.99. Thank you for watching.